So starting this analysis by looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame. In a weekly time frame, the price of Bitcoin did actually manage to find support above this 38.20 Fibonacci level, which we talked on my videos so many times because we were aware failing to find support at this 38.20 has led to some decent price pullback type of scenario. So that's why we said at any cost we want our price to remain above this 38.20 Fibonacci level that was sitting around 35,500 price area. So right now what we want in this week, the price is to stay above this 36,000 price level, and if that's going to happen, then we are going to focus some more impulsive move that could play out and also could bring us towards the another middle of the channel, that is the 50% Fibonacci level that is sitting around 44,712 price area. So let's see how this one is going to play out, because in a daily time frame also I'm going to show you something very important here. And also guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So in a daily time frame guys, what we are going to do is we are going to pinpoint the areas where the monthly candle actually closed. So if you look at this for this year, right, starting from January month, where did the January candle actually close? So if you look to the downside, you will see 30th of January, this is the 31st of January, and then 1st of February. So this candle actually closed somewhere around this area, right? So next February candle, so February candle closed around the 1st of March. So this means 28th February. So this is where the February candle closed. So now we are going towards March month. If you look at this March, you can see 30th of March, 31st of March. So now we are going to look for the monthly candle close. In that case, this here is the monthly candle close for March. So if you follow like this for April month, the April month candle actually closed here, right? You can see 30th of April, and then again May month. And for this May month, what we are going to do for May month, you can see now we are approaching the end monthly candle area. That's the reason why I'm actually showing you this scenario, because if you now look at this, each and every monthly candle open or monthly candle close, doesn't matter how you look at this, you can see this trend line. If you focus around this trend line, you can see this trend line, the monthly candle close label or open label has always played a very important role, because now you can see here when the February monthly candle started here, right, that was around 33,000. Price also closed above it. That usually indicates some really nice impulsive movement. We had that impulsive movement. We saw this price pullback, and for this February month, the candle also closed around this $45,000 area. This monthly candle closed above the monthly candle from the previous area, so that's why we started again moving here in upper direction. But you can see here for March, right, when we started this new month for April, the candle closed somewhere around this 59,000 area. But you can see after that, you can see we hovered below that, saw the pump, and then again a price pullback, and this price pullback indicated the price here is below the monthly candle close for this March month, and closing below this monthly candle close level usually indicates the trend might be weakening. And here you can see for the April month, when the candle actually closed around 57,000, you can see the previous monthly candle close level acted as a very strong resistance line, and the price here was also not able to close out of it, and then we witnessed this pull back type of scenario. You can see again from this February month, when the candle actually closed, that line tried to act as a support. We had this really nice weak rejection to the downside, price headed to the upside, but when we had another pullback, this monthly candle close from 28th of February was not able to hold the price, and then we saw this price pullback. And look at this, where did the price ended this pullback? Exactly around this January candle close area, which is around 32,000 price level. So that's why guys, right now, since it's the 31st of May, we are going to see another new candle for tomorrow, a new month. And also we are expecting, if the price is going to close somewhere around here, let's say around this 36,500, 36,900, doesn't matter. So if the monthly candle, right, is going to close somewhere around this, and the new month is also going to start above this monthly candle label, that could actually indicate we could see some potential impulsive move. And in that case, if that's going to occur, then the same line which previously acted as a support is going to be our upward price target, and also a very strong resistance line that is sitting around $45,000. So that's why this monthly candle open label has played a very important role in the past Bitcoin price action. So we are also going to monitor this tomorrow. So now also looking at this in a smaller time frame, I mean in a 4 hour time frame, we can see here. So if we look at this in a 4 hour time frame, you can see yesterday I showed you this falling trend line, and why this falling trend line breakout was very important, because this line here, right, has acted as a very strong resistance, didn't let the price to close out of it. And now if we monitor this price movement, you can see the price seems to be breaking out of it. But in many cases, what we have seen is after this kind of price movement, we have also seen a pullback type of scenario. And if that's going to happen right now, right, for us, the same line which previously acted as resistance is going to be a very strong support, and we are going to expect some more impulsive move to follow for Bitcoin. Because if you look at this in a 4 hour time frame, not just only because of this falling trend line, you can simply look at this, right, this price movement. See here guys, this here could be forming a very nice double bottom type of scenario. So that's why breaking this trend line here right now could actually indicate, hey, even if we are going to see a consolidation, that should be absolutely fine, right? And if we are going to hit to the upside right now, for us, the neckline here is one very important price area. So that's going to be around this $40,000 to $41,000. So in a short term, we are expecting some impulsive move. If the previous line which acted as a resistance is going to hold the price, then 40,000 is our short-term price target. I showed you with the previous example, according to the monthly candle close level, if we are going to close above this monthly candle close level and we are going to start a new month above that, then we are also expecting some impulsive move to follow for Bitcoin. And in that case, 45,000 is going to be our price target here to the upside. So that's why in a smaller time frame also, what we want is price to clearly find support at this falling trend line that's going to follow. Then we are going to look for the neckline area as our potential price target for Bitcoin. So that's why what I'm actually expecting right now is price of Bitcoin to see some potential upward price movement, a slow movement. I'm not expecting some massive rally here to the upside. I'm expecting more of a consolidation type of scenario and a small relief rally, at least towards this 40,000 to 45,000 price area. So let's see how this one is going to play out. And not just only that, we are also aware that tomorrow we are going to see a new monthly CPR for June month, and that is going to be another very interesting scenario, because in the past Bitcoin price action, this monthly CPR lines has always been respected, right? And we are aware of that. So that's why we are very excited to see what the price of Bitcoin is going to do tomorrow, because tomorrow we are also going to get a new CPR for this June month, and also in a daily time frame, the previous monthly candle close level. Is it going to be above or is it going to be below? So let's see how this is going to play out for Bitcoin. So these are some of the scenarios I thought sharing with you in today's episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then please hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.